Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickNode CLI dependencies, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall QuickNode CLI dependencies, start by opening your terminal. Check if QuickNode CLI is installed by running the command npm list gdepth equals 0. This command will show you a list of globally installed npm packages. Look for QuickNode in the list. If you find QuickNode CLI installed, the next step is to uninstall it. Run the command npm uninstall gQuickNode. This command removes QuickNode CLI from your global npm packages. After uninstalling, verify that it has been removed. You can do this by running the command npm list gdepth equals 0 again. If QuickNode is no longer displayed in the list, the uninstallation was successful. Next, you may want to remove any associated configurations or cache. To do this, navigate to your home directory. Look for any directories or files related to QuickNode. Common directories include .quicknode or any related configuration files. Remove these directories or files to completely clear the QuickNode setup. If you're using a different package manager like Yarn, repeat similar steps. To uninstall with Yarn, use the command yarn global remove QuickNode. Finally, double-check that all dependencies have been fully removed. You can run a cleanup command, like npm cache clean force, if desired. Your system should now be free of QuickNode CLI dependencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.